The psychology of money. How to think like a billionaire. What if I told you that getting rich isn't about how much you earn, but how you think about money? Billionaires don't just work harder, they think differently. Want to know how? Let's break down the psychology of money and how you can start thinking like a billionaire today. 1. Billionaire mindset versus average thinking. The biggest difference between billionaires and the average person is how they see money. Money as a tool, not a goal. The rich don't chase money. They use it to build freedom and opportunities. Long-term thinking. While most people think in months, billionaires think in decades. Calculated risks. Instead of avoiding risk, billionaires manage and leverage it to their advantage. 2. Psychological money traps that keep people broke. Most people unknowingly sabotage their own financial success. Here's how. Instant gratification. Spending now instead of investing for the future. Fear of failure. Avoiding opportunities because of the risk of losing money. Keeping up with the Joneses. Spending to impress others instead of building wealth. 3. Billionaire habits and strategies. Here's how billionaires think and act differently with money. They invest, not just save. While the average person saves for security, billionaires invest in assets that grow over time. They focus on ownership. Instead of just earning a paycheck, they own businesses, stocks, and real estate. They prioritize learning. Billionaires read, network, and constantly seek knowledge to stay ahead. Conclusion. Start thinking like a billionaire today. Changing your money mindset is the first step to financial success. Are you ready to think long-term, invest smartly, and break free from money traps? Let me know in the comments, which billionaire habit are you going to start using today?